Greetings, I'm Glenn Witecki from the Witecki Law Office in Schenectady, and this is my assistant, Becky Quick. We're talking about powers of attorney in this segment, and Becky has volunteered to act in the role of the power of attorney, just so you can put a face to it. So a power of attorney is a document, a legal document, whereby you authorize someone else to engage in financial transactions on your behalf. Your agent under your power of attorney does not have the authority to make your health care decisions, but does have authority to make financial transactions on your behalf to the extent that you authorize them. And there are different powers listed under a power of attorney, such as real estate transactions, banking transactions, life insurance, retirement, business transactions, and so on and so forth. And to the extent you authorize your agent to act on your behalf for those kinds of matters, they have parallel authority to you. You are not giving up your authority to do these things on your own behalf so long as you have capacity and competency to do them. You're just naming someone else who can also do them. So picture Becky as your agent under your power of attorney. She's obligated to act in your best interest and only do and is limited by what you circumscribe her authority to be. So you can also authorize what's called gifting under a power of attorney. So let's say Becky is your daughter and you're naming her as an agent. Well, maybe you don't have long-term care insurance and you're concerned about long-term care expenses, especially if you haven't done any prior planning to protect assets. So you may want to add a provision in your power of attorney that authorizes what's called gifting. And this authorizes your agent to give away some of your assets in the situation where you need long-term care, and it's done in order to protect your assets from the nursing home expenses. If you have planned 5 years ahead, you may have already put your assets into a Medicaid trust that protects them, but still, you wouldn't have put all your assets in, so you're still going to have some left, or maybe you didn't do a trust, and so you need someone like your agent, Becky, to protect your assets, give them to friends and family in such a way that at least some of them are protected and they don't all go to the cost of long-term care.